Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the auxiliary battery on a Mercedes Benz GLE 350. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a trim removal tool, and your new 12-volt auxiliary battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely powered down and the main battery is disconnected. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to prevent any accidents during the replacement process. Now, let's locate the auxiliary battery. On most Mercedes Benz GLE 350 models, it is typically situated under the rear seat, often on the driver's side. Begin by carefully raising the seat squab and then removing any surrounding trim panels. A plastic trim removal tool is highly recommended here to prevent any damage to your vehicle's interior. Take your time to fully expose the battery compartment. With the auxiliary battery exposed, it's time for removal. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using your 10mm wrench, followed by the positive terminal. This sequence minimizes the risk of electrical shorts. Next, unstrap or unclamp the old battery from its mounting tray. It typically weighs around 5 kilograms, so lift it carefully to avoid injury. Set the old battery aside for proper disposal. Now, let's install your new auxiliary battery. Carefully place the new 12-volt battery into the tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both securely with your wrench. Double-check all connections. Finally, reassemble the trim panels and seat, making sure everything is firmly secured. Your Mercedes Benz GLE 350 is now ready to go with its new auxiliary power source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.